Hey guys, I am Dimitris Magdalinos. We are here in Athens, where we have developed Shout My Offer. It's not yet one of the 7 wonders of the world, just like Acropolis behind me, but we certainly hope it's gonna get there. Maybe with your help. Shout My Offer deals with an everyday problem of getting a really good deal for our shopping, whilst at the same time not creating a huge overhead for the shopkeepers and professionals involved in this. I am an IT professional with about 17 years of experience in various roles and working for different industries. Currently, I am running Faro Solutions, a software house which provides a specialized email messaging software for the shipping industry. With Argyris, we have worked in the last few months developing Shout My Offer, but I better let him explain a few things about himself. Cheers.
Argyris Adimas. Along with Dimitris, we work on Shout My Offer for the last few months. The idea is simple: give the opportunity to shopkeepers to take adverts from the front windows to people's mobiles. Let's talk about myself. I am a PhD student and a research associate at Kharkov University at the Department of Informatics. Amongst others, I teach and provide system support. We have put our best efforts in creating Shout My Offer, which is based on cutting-edge web technologies. Take a look to our website and download our application in your mobile. Thank you very much.